mga be. So, welcome back to my channel. So, kaka-check out ko lang sa hotel ko. So, ngayon, hinihintay ko yung service ko papuntang sa ibang kabilang island. So, pupunta ngayon ako sa full moon party. Yeah. So, sa kabilang island yun. So, hinihintay ko lang yung van service na mag-pick up sa amin. So, ayan pala yung mga gamit ko. So, yeah, mga 2 p.m. ang pick up time. So, ngayon is 1:19 na ng tanghali. So, ayan guys, naghihintay pa lang kami. So, habang naghihintay, bibili muna kami ng coconut juice. Yeah. Ang tagal ng service. Why so long? Yeah. Titingin lang kami ng drinks. What do you want? This one, no? Ah, that one, yeah. Andyan na nga pala yung namin. Sakay namin. Are you sure? Yeah. So, andyan na po yung service namin.
I remember for you.
Okay. Thank you. Okay guys, so andyan na yung namin. Service namin papunta sa sa ferry boat. Oh yeah, sa ferry.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Sorry.
Yeah. So ayan yung service namin guys. So ayan nga, andito na yung namin, service namin papunta sa sa may port. So, sasakay muna kami ng boat. Papunta dun sa sa island. So dito muna kami, pick up muna namin. Tapos boat later.
Okay.
Okay. Coffee? So ayan guys, nakarating na kami dito sa sa pier. So antayin lang namin yung yung speedboat, dun kami sasakay. I want to drink something. Let's go. So, ayan nga. Nasa port na kami. 30 minutes yung ano, yung biyahe ng ano, speedboat punta sa ano, sa island, Kopangan. What do you wanna buy? Okay, let's go for it. We can live here. So, mag-ano muna kami, coffee. Slide pala. Hello. Do you have caramel macchiato?
Yes. Ice,
Yeah, iced coffee.
ice caramel macchiato. You want sugar?
Yeah, sweet, please. Okay. So, yan guys. Mag-order muna kami ng coffee bago mag-register doon. So, sasakay kami sa speedboat. Look at this. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng view. How much for me? For me, how?
You are ice caramel 85.
Okay, 85. Nagkamali yung office na ano, pinagbabahan sa amin. So ngayon, pupunta kami sa isang office. I mean yung ano, company, dun sa may boat area. So mali yung pinagbabahan ng ano, driver. So ngayon, lalakarin namin papunta sa kabila. Sana maabutan namin yung ano, yung boat. Kaloka yung ano, yung driver. Dapat alam niya yun. Mali-mali tayo. Ang init pa naman. Kaloka. Dito pala yung sa kabilang ano, pier. So, mali yung pinagbabahan sa atin. So, ito pala dapat kami pumunta. Pala dapat kami pumunta. Ayan oh. Mali yung ano. Mali yung pinagbabahan. Dito pala 'yun. What happened? It's wrong, right?
Sick now.
No way.
Why? Why is it this wrong?
Yeah,
See, it's
but it should be, yeah. I mean, like, he must know the company.
ใช่เขาส่งหนูผิดอ่ะหนูก็งงหนูก็โทร
Guys, malilate na kami kasi yung ano, yung boat namin dapat 2:30, nandun na kami dapat, pero ano, mali yung company na ano. Pero dito na yung tama.
ไม่งั้น
Mm. Okay. Ito yung ticket namin. I mean, like, yeah, ticket.
let's go
Let's go.
on
Yeah, wait. Where?
this part no inside oh, okay
VIP. So, my God. Babe, say hello. Babe. We need to go. We're late. Kalok. Here, ah?
Yeah.
Really? Ang laki ng maleta niya, kalok.
ไปเลยไหมอ่ะ
So, ready na yung yung speedboat papunta sa Kopangan Island. Ayan, maglalay na kami dito.
Winner.
Winner, ah.
Yeah.
Master, oh, yung Master 4. I'm Legend. Legend 1. Kapan ka? Sige. So, ayan. Ready na yung speedboat. It's ready, baby. It's ready, it's ready, it's ready.
So guys, please make sure that you have a ticket like this one.
Okay.
This ticket is very important. Please do not lose this one. If you lose this one, we're gonna charge you again. I'm sure you don't.
Okay.
If you lose this one, it's gonna be 1,000.
Dankeschön. Dankeschön. So, ayan yung mga kasama namin papunta sa boat.
It's not necessary to put around your neck. You can put it on your back. Okay. So, going back, start from 11. 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Buti maaraw ngayon.
Okay. So from 11
Pero medyo cloudy.
up until 6 a.m. every hour.
Superstar.
So if you reach the 6 a.m. boat, you will have a lot of
Tara dito.
So 30 minutes before your desired time.
So, 30 minutes yung biyahe by speedboat hanggang sa sa Kopangan Island.
Okay. So don't lose your ticket. Don't miss the 6 a.m. boat. That's it. Okay. So you special. Just a satellite.
So, ayan guys, kakarating lang namin after 30 minutes. Yung luggage namin basa. Oh my God. Ayan, nakarating na kami dito sa ano, Kopangan Island. Antay lang namin yung ano, yung bagahe namin. Anda, your luggage. Kapan ka? Thank you. So, punta na kami sa ano, hotel. So, hindi ko alam kung paano kami pupunta doon, pero by taxi.
Dio sai.เขาจะพักให้อยู่หลังร้านเลยเข้าไป
ตรงไปให้สุดเลยใช่ไหม
ก็เลยต้อง
Be careful
Yeah, I'm here. I see you already here. You're crazy.
เร็ว let's go
Let's go. I follow you. Ayan guys, oh my God. Parang pa-start na yung food. Ang daming tao. My God. Ah, it's near. Ayan na nga yung ano namin, hotel namin. Ay, buti na lang nahanap namin. It's perfect for the party, right? Because it's maybe it's perfect for the party. The reception is here. Here, slide. Sarika!
Check in
Check in.
May I have your reservation?
yeah
Your passport.
Okay.
yes ขอบคุณค่ะ
Only one? Oh, it's a
ของคนก็ได้ค่ะ
song ko na.
ชื่อจองมาชื่อไหนคะชื่อจองที่ไหนคะ
So, ano na kami.
ที่นี่ใช่ไหมคะ
Check in
หาดลินรีสอร์ทใช่ไหมนี่หาดลินรีสอร์ทใช่ไหมสวยมาก
So perfect yung area nila, no?
Yeah.
It's perfect because it's
yes
on the beach.
center.
For the
center
full
area.
moon party. So, ayun na nga guys, yung ano namin. Yung room namin. Yeah. Ito nga.
okay
Inside. Oh, it's too hot. Guys. So,
ยังเอาเปิดไหมครับเปิดครับเปิดหมดเลยร้อนมากกดพัดลมเลยดีกว่า
ang haggard ko na. Chiki. Ayun guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Okay, balitaan ko kayo sa next vlog.